Hey everyone. So recently I've been playing a lot of a mod pack called Crash Landing, where you have to survive on a desert planet, and a big part of that is sifting through dust to get items. So I've tried to sort of replicate that in vanilla using sand instead of dust, and this, my sieve, which is just a piston with an iron trapdoor on top. So I'll give you a demonstration. If I throw a sand block on there, you'll see that it fills up the sieve, and I got gunpowder that time. If I throw it on again, didn't get any. Oh, I did. I got flint that time. Yeah, didn't get any that time. So you get different items each time. And I'll quickly explain how it works. So if I go, oh god, if I go and create a spectator mode, you can see that there's an armor stand here with a sand block on his head, and he is used to determine the position that the sand is shown at. So if I go ahead and go mode 1 again, so when I throw sand on the thing, he's teleported upwards, and then every half a second he's teleported downwards by a bit, and that's controlled through a scoreboard objective called fullness. There's also one called is empty, which is used to detect whether the thing is empty or not, so I can't just keep chucking more sand on it. So once I've got one on there already, it will stay on there until that's done, and then that one will go through again. And this bit here is just used to detect the item, so it tests for the item with a score value is sand of 1, so every sand block is given that score is sand of 1. So if I use any other block like sandstone, it won't work, it has to be sand. And it teleports it to the starting position, sets the fullness value to 6, sets is empty to 0 because it's no longer empty, and it does a whole load of crazy stuff with them. This is the particle command, so it's using particle block crack 12, which is the block crack of sand. And then this here is used to change the fullness, so it removes 1 from the fullness each, I think it's half a second because I've set the transfer cooldown to 10 using block data, so that makes it take a bit longer than a normal hopper clock would. And then this is used for the summoning of the items through these, so it chooses a random one of these armor stands and summons an item by them. So I'll show you it, and it's easier to see it. So if I throw one on there, you'll see one summon there and one summon on the pressure plate, and the command block underneath the pressure plate summoned this quartz in here. So if I go ahead and try again on the pressure plate that time, and on the pressure plate again, so we got lucky that time and we got 2 items. So if I did this, if I made more of these, I could mess with the chances more, so make it rare or make it more common, stuff like that. Yeah, so nothing that time. So yeah, just a cool little concept I made. I might try doing more of the features within the Crash Landing mod pack in vanilla, because I think it would make a cool adventure map, so I might try that. But yeah, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it.